Hello again, Batswana Betso. Hello to the Gemvote community, Debut TV, and gemvote.com. It's your boy Lebogang David Motubudi again, and I'm here with my final piece for this season. It's been an absolutely amazing journey, but yeah, let's hope that this is only just the beginning. My piece this week is going to be by someone called Don McDonald, and he's a writer of sorts, comedian, etc. And he's written a piece for a chap called George, who's sort of, I wouldn't say been inept, but he's been a bit socially awkward, and just as he was about to get into that, social life and break out of his shell, his cocoon, and become a butterfly, in came, the digital age and all these new social networking media. So this is his take on that. Facebook community. Community where people come together, have fun. We used to do it at parties and clubs, but more and more, we're doing it on our computers. I mean, it's easy. You don't have to get dressed, do your hair, take a shower. You just sit your stinky butt down in front of your computer, and there you are. Upload that younger looking picture of yourself, and you're on the net. The network. What is networking anyway? I mean, a couple of years ago when that term came out, none of us really knew what it was. And we all faked that we knew, but we didn't know how to do it. Enter Facebook. Facebook came along like networking for dummies. They make it so easy. You join up, add some friends. Oh, don't worry if you don't have any friends. I managed to find a bunch of friends from that helpful sidebar Facebook calls suggested friends. These aren't people you already know. They're for people like me who don't have any friends. And what the community does is basically you have your suggested friends who are friends of the week, let's call them. But how do they get to be friend of the week anyway? Did they pay? Can I be friend of the week? Is Facebook already advertising me as friend of the week? Then there's Twitter. Just as good a name as Facebook. Wow. Somebody got paid a lot of money to think this up. I mean, Facebook makes sense. Everybody has a face. But is everybody a twit? Maybe. No. But why make a social network out of twits? I mean, does Twitter have a suggestion page like Twit of the Week? It's just ridiculous. In fact, I have met people that have like 500 friends on Facebook. Pages and pages of people that have clicked that confirm as a friend button. To me, that's a stressful decision. I mean, you get a friend request from someone you don't really know, and I ponder, do I really want this person thinking that we're friends? What if they start calling me up to go out for coffee? And even more stressful is the ignore button. Now I've got some wacko calling me on the phone asking me why, or worse. That's my piece. Share it on Facebook. Go to Gemvote, please like it. And yeah, guys, help me make my dream a reality. Lebogang David Motubudi.